morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning.